Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Technologies Lessons. I'm Özlem Nuşin Öztürk and I'm teaching HTML, JavaScript, CSS and jQuery on this channel. Today we're gonna talk about all of the things that we've learned in the past, in the previous classes, and we're gonna put them together and create a web page for a company, for a business. I choose the finance department. By the way, unfortunately, I'm saying that this will be our last video and the last project, but don't worry, I'll be back in 1 or 2 months later with Python. So let's start. Of course, as always, you should start with the HTML and CSS files, create them, and I put a title Consultinopol because my company is consultancy company, and I link the HTML and CSS files together. And then there are style sheets which belongs to the division parts below. Now let's start with them. I type body and arrange the body part of the website, and then navigation bar there will be a menu, and this is about it. There are the necessary arrangements like background color, text color and font sizes, padding, margin, text align, etc. And there will be a drop down button, and hover function will be used here, like, let me show you, like this. When you drag your pointer, the drop down button, drop down menu bar will be shown up. And in the division part, of course, I put a logo like this, and divisions are available as navigation bar and sub nav for the drop down button menu, and style sheets for the content like colors, etc. And the buttons here, in a division, when you create another division, it creates your, it builds your drop down button menu. And let's move on to this one. The pale golden rod is my favorite background color. I choose it between the style comments, and then I put a heading which says checkmate in the market with strategic consultancy. This is our slogan, actually. It looks like this. And then I create a panel. This is the part that I admire, really. And to do this, script is available. You put this link and then $ document .ready function. You should use these functions to make it work. And style sheets for panels and flip part. I'd like to make it green, and all the other arrangements you see on the screen. It looks like this. When you click on it, it comes down, and you can see the text here. And this is the division of the panel which is identified. And next one is next division is for the slideshows. It changes. There are 3 images for my company, and I use the logo usually. So to do that, slideshow container tag, you need to classify it as slideshows container, and my slide fade and the necessary arrangements like style, number, text. It looks like this here on the upper left corner. And of course you should put the images. That's the point. SRC. I choose this, and this. And this is the look. And then, of course, don't forget add to this part text align centered and classify it as dot. And there's a span command. In the script part, again, there are some functions which we use JavaScript. These are important, like you see in the previous class. If and for functions are available here, and in the end, the time set, as you can see, it's 3 seconds for me. You can change it. And in the last part, the currency exchange rates I wanted to add, and you can add something else, but I like that it's floating. Let me show you like this. And actually I pull it from another website, so it's in Turkish. Yeah, but you can solve it. You can use another website, and it's from the central bank, and it's changing hourly. And in the CSS part, I arranged the heading first, and then this part for the slider. These are important because if you don't put them, in the CSS part, it cannot work properly, because the good look of this slide comes from here, and you can see them. Active, dot, fade. These are important for the animation. And in the last part, there are WebKit tags, you see, different tags. We never used them before. It works, it works for you to pull the necessary data from another website and work it in a proper way on your web page. And I'm going to show you the final look one more time. There are the divisions like report button, balance sheet, strategy reports, and this is the logo. This is our slogan, which we created as a heading, and this is the panel. This is the slideshow animation. Changes in 1 in 3 seconds. And this is the currency exchange rates for today. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and hope you will follow 2 months later with the Python part. Okay, that's it for today. I can't finish because this is our last video. It's so touchy. Okay, see you guys. Bye.